Alright, what's up guys? Today we're going to start disassembling this 4G63T motor. We're going to start with the exhaust manifold, get all the accessories off, get the intake pulled, and any other accessories that we'll... Alright guys, let's get into it. Let's start with this exhaust manifold, all the covers and everything.
Can't move this. Ready?
Hey, what's up guys? So we're on day 2 of tearing down this engine. We didn't get very far last time. We just got the intake off, all the accessories off. We did get the timing cover off. So today we're going to work on getting the exhaust manifold off, getting the oil filter housing off, all the thermostat housing and all that stuff, and then try to open up this head today. I'm hoping. I would like to get the head to the machine shop next week. So by next weekend, we can come back and seal this motor up, and then we can start on all the other projects we got on this car. After we get the head off, I'll go over with you guys exactly what I'm doing to this Eclipse, my goals for it, and hope to have it up and running by summer.
Perfect.
guys, if you don't have a set of wobble extensions, they come in extremely handy.
Perfect.
Well, I did buy spanner wrenches for this oil line, but I guess they're standard, not metric. You can only got metric spanner wrenches. Of course. Alright guys, I ended up just having to break this line. I needed new oil lines. Alright, let those exhaust manifold bolts soak PV blasting for a little bit. It's gonna be hard to get off. I don't think this motor's ever been opened up. Oh, the water side of this engine is going to be really, really clean. I did do a flush last summer, so that probably helped. But definitely a good sign. Alright guys, I think this is going to be pretty close to done for the day. I'm going to clean everything up. Kids are getting anxious inside. But I think next time we come out here, then we'll pull the head. Kind of want to make sure I have enough time before I start pulling the head. I don't want to be in the middle of it and have to leave, so I better dedicate a whole day for just pulling the head. I'm sure it'll only take an hour or so.